Hurricane season is coming. Is your HVAC system prepared? As hurricane season approaches, with potential power outages and extreme weather conditions, safeguarding your HVAC system can prevent costly damage and extended discomfort. Here are essential steps to prepare your HVAC system for the upcoming hurricane season. Schedule a professional maintenance tune-up to identify potential issues before the storm hits. Install a surge protector to protect your HVAC system from power surges and prevent damage to sensitive components during electrical storms. Secure your outdoor unit with hurricane straps and cover it to shield it from flying debris and excessive rain. Before the storm arrives, turn off your HVAC system to prevent damage from power fluctuations and potential flooding. For professional hurricane prep assistance and reliable HVAC services in Cape Coral, Florida, contact Florida Cooling Solutions today at 239-323-6524. We're here to keep you comfortable and safe.